Dear students, you can do the you learned yesterday's recorded class. So you understand that? I think so. Everyone will understood. Then you can do the exercise in the page number 69. I think so. You did it that. Then another live class we can discuss about that. Today's revision class, I am going recorded class. I am going to start a new thing, but it is not new. You already studied that in the last year. That is one word will be there. It has pair of sentence. The meaning is different. When we pronounce it, that time the meaning will be changed. That is night. The spelling also will change. But here it is, the spelling is correct, but the meaning is in different sentences, situations, the meaning will change. That is heteronyms, means some words have some same spelling but different meanings and pronunciation. This any word's meaning is that M you wanted to add with that. The printed mistake is there and the pronunciation and meaning is different. Example, row, R-O-W. So how we will pronounce row only we will say. Row means a line of thing or line of people. You know that when we are going to assembly, that time we are going in a row or in a line. Another row, it means noisy flight. That is fighting with others. That sound will makes. And like that, in your textbook, page number 70, the meaning as well as the two meanings also given. You wanted to do that also in your textbook, same as the word meaning also. The B complete the sentences using the correct word from the textbook, the boxes. You wanted to use that correct place, correct sentence and use the correct word also. Let me discuss in the next live class. Children, again I am going to explain you about the book review. What is a book review? You know that? I think so. Book you heard, but review you don't know. That is, when you read a book, everyone had the habit of reading story books. When we read a story book, you can build your own suggestions, your own opinions, and you can make it. Is the character is good or is the like that when we watch a movie? After watching a movie, you will come to the conclusion that the person he did like this, then it is good. Otherwise, that person, the villain in that character, the anti-hero, he did that, so he's a bad person. So that type of comments you are telling. So like that, the book review, that is, we want to read one story book, then we can write it a story in a paragraph. That is, the points that is given, you wanted to learn, study well, then the homework is you wanted to write a book review of which one you read. That is any story. If it is a comedy or a love story or any type of story, you can read and you wanted to write the review of that book. When you are going to write the review of a book, these points you wanted to remember always. Which are these points? First point, it expresses your opinion. That is your opinion, what you think about that book when you read. If it is a story of King and Queen or any other stories or the chapter from your textbook itself, you can, but you have your own opinion, your own idea. Second point, it helps other people decide whether they should read the book. So when you say the points, so your own comments or your own opinion, it wanted to create the others want tempt them and make it to tempt. I want to read that book. Abdul Kalam's books is there. It is very interesting. You want to read it. And another one, the review should be written in formal language. We want to use a very formal, simple language we can use. And the last one, you should include the name, when you are writing, you are going to write the review of a book. That time first you wanted to write the name of the book and the author and a short summary as a whole. Don't write it in a long and a small paragraph about the story of the book and few details about the main character. Maybe the character will be there in all the stories. So that characters little detail you wanted to give, and style it is funny, boring, dramatic, like that. Any way you can write. So this is the way you can write the book review. Thank you, students. Go through the recorded class again and then you can do it your homework. Thank you.